Well, we made it to Tom Sawyer Island, so we are now going to begin our search for my wife.
Thank you.
Hopefully I find her. Please, where are you? Please, where? I'll go do that over there. And maybe we might bump into Tim Tracker. Hopefully we find my wife. Let's go. There's the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. You're too noisy! Okay, well, we're over that bridge, but no leaves. Carry on the search. Okay, maybe we'll find Lee's in Fort Langhorn. Let's go take a look around. Maybe we'll find her. Rifles. Okay, we know where the rifles are. Oh, maybe she's in here. Have you guys seen? Hello? Have you guys seen my wife? No.
Yeah.
No? Well, you guys just I guess you're kind of busy. Yeah. No worries. I'll talk to you guys later. Wee bit busy. Maybe they got her locked up in the guardhouse. Let's take a look. Excuse me, sir. I don't want to wake you up, but sir, can you? I just want you to. I want to ask if you, sir, could you just wake up? Okay, I'll let you be. Yeah. I'm sorry to bother you.
You on there before?
That's a sound sleeper.
Why don't y'all come on? I'm gonna get on this escape shuttle.
What's going up here? Maybe Lee's is hiding out up here.
Hold on.
Here, we gotta see. There's nowhere we go. Watch out.
They're firing guns up there. That's dangerous. There's a cannon. What's that? Whoa! Look, Big Thunder Railroad. Oh, that was kind of cool.
Papa, we want to go through the escape tunnel with you all after.
Honey.
You get them with it. Yeah. We want to come with y'all.
More cannons. Use cotton when shooting. Okay.
Hey, it's Austin, you got her? Yeah. A light ship spotted. Shoot at sea. To north.
Wait until the train
Coming over the
What do we got?
Ferris coming.
Shoot it. Shoot the train.
Did we hit it?
It's some.
I don't see any. Oh, they got away. They got away.
Nice.
They got away. Still didn't find a Lee's though. No Lee's there. I don't want to shoot my wife. I don't know. No, I don't want to do that.
Oh, look, we have a cannon. Where's Elena?
What's up here?
Elena.
Okay. What's this rifle shooting at? Oh, you could shoot at trees in this. Who wants to shoot trees and pull the trigger here? Left-handed trigger pull. Oh, I shot some. I think I shot a bird. Oh, I shot another bird. Oh, shut up. Stop. Dude, I'm not doing anything. Stop it. Thank you.
Oh, shoot.
The gun was shooting by itself.
Really? There's ghosts in here.
I don't.
They came over from the haunted mansion.
Yeah, exactly.
Those are the snipers in there.
No big Thunder Mountain out there.
Perfect view.
Stop shooting the birds. Stop shooting the birds. You're still shooting the birds. Stop it. What did the birds do to you?
Disney's gonna get upset with you. Scaring all the birds away.
All right.
More time.
More bird shooting. Yeah. Oh, that one's. There's a ghost shooting that one.
I know.
It won't stop it. There you go. Oh, bang my head. Who needs a head? Oh, more shooting nests. Hopefully they're not shooting birds. You see, look at the, ooh, the forest.
It's the same as the other one.
All right. What do we see over here? Let's aim. Oh, got that bird. Do you see the squirrel? Squirrel! Squirrel!
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, someone's shooting. Someone's shooting. I'm out of here. Oh no, they're still shooting. Oh no, stop shooting. There's a ghost shooting that gun. There's a ghost shooting. Oh, I'm out of here. Run away. Still no Lee's. Lee, where are you? What? Where are you, Lee? All right. Let's no, I don't want to shoot any more squirrels. So let's head down. Heading on down. Heading on down. And we're down. All right, I guess there's only one last place we can go. Lee's, are you down here? Lee's, you're down here? Hello? Why am I always in dark tunnels? Hello? Okay.
It is rather narrow.
It's really squishy. Oh, squishy. I found a squishy spot. Don't go that way. It's squishy. Go that way. It's less squishy that way. Hi.
Slow down.
Wow, we have a traffic jam. Hello. Echoey. Hello. I think I better go with the traffic this time. Okay. Aha! Going the squishy route, huh? Getting stuck. Okay. You went the squishy route.
Nice.
Look. A plant. Oh, it's getting smaller.
Now we're under the water.
Oh, I found nothing.
Oh, so
There's nothing there. I found the nothing. He didn't believe that I found the nothing. He had to see the nothing for himself. All right, we made it out. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. We found the everything. Okay.
cool. Ah, almost good.
But I would have had it on camera and that would have been great. All right, well, still looking for my wife, but no such luck. We'll keep looking.